Welcome to Boomhauer69's channel. And today Boomhauer is going to do a 6 months update about the Kk.bol solar light bulb here. This is just a little made in China cheap plastic solar light bulb that you can get off from Amazon.com. It charges through a micro USB cord. You can it comes with a micro USB cord that you can plug into a wall adapter or a USB port and charge up that way, or you can charge it up through the micro USB 1 watt solar panel. This is just a little 1 watt solar panel. I just charged this up through the solar panel, and right there. And there's a little LED light a little red LED light to indicate that it's charging. But yeah. It's a little 150 lumens light bulb. This is what the little solar panel looks like. I like how it's got where you can hang it, holes to hang it up. There's what the micro USB plug looks like. I've had the solar panel in all kinds of weather. It's been in rain and stuff and got wet numerous times, and it still works. I just usually, when it gets wet, I'll either shake it off or just take my shirt or a paper towel or something and just wipe it off, and it still works and it still charges up the bulb. The bulb is 150 lumens. It only has one setting, but it still works. It's one of those you can throw it in a drawer or store it somewhere, or if you have like a shelf where you keep your emergency supplies or whatever, and you're looking for a basic cheap little plastic little light bulb, something cheap to throw in your emergency kit, and you're looking for something that's gonna stay charged up and not lose a charge. This would be perfect, because I've had this thrown in a drawer for weeks on end, forgotten about it, like, oh, there's that light bulb, I wonder if it still works, and it still holds a charge and stuff. Usually when I charge this up, I just leave it all day out in the sunlight, so I can't confirm how long it takes to charge up, and usually this lasts about 5 to 8 hours is how long the light bulb it lasts. And so far as has the battery gone weak in it, or have I noticed anything odd about the battery? Is the battery still holding the juice like it did when I first bought it and stuff? It's been working super fine. I haven't noticed anything going bad on this. I haven't noticed anything going bad on this. The battery's still holding a charge just like it did when I first bought it. So only thing wrong with it is just dirt and grime is on it, and the one little cosmetic crack from me dropping it, but it still works and everything, and I really like how it's got a nice metal handle on it. But all in all, I'm really satisfied with this product. I am going to later on buy another one of these because I really like it and it seems to work. So if you're just looking for a cheap, basic little made in China solar light bulb from Amazon, something cheap, basic, I would definitely recommend this because I give it a full 5 stars. It does what it says it's supposed to do. Now keep in mind that this solar panel is only a little 1 watt solar panel, so it's not a very powerful micro USB solar panel. I never really tried to see if this panel would charge up other micro USB devices. I imagine it would. I did one time try it once on a little micro USB electric plasma lighter, and it did charge that up, but that's the only thing I ever else tried it on. But the only thing I really used this solar panel on is the actual little light bulb itself. And the cord is nice and long there. I forget how many feet of cordage you get, but all in all, I'm really satisfied with this product. It's still going strong, still works. It just needs to be cleaned up because it's got some dirt and scuff marks on it. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but as far as that, it's worked out super fine. I've used it in my kitchen, camping, hiking, and stuff. That's why I plan on getting another one that I can just throw on my hiking pack and with it and stuff. If you like this sort of content, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and comment below your thoughts, drop a comment if you like, and don't forget to subscribe to Boomhauer69 channel, because that's going to help me, Boomhauer69, in growing this channel, and also by you sharing this video will help me, Boomhauer69, in growing this channel. Hope you all have a good day, and thank you for watching.